Inflammation isn't always a bad thing. In fact, it's one of your body's most important defense systems. It helps fight infections, repair damaged tissue, and protect you from injury. The problem begins when inflammation stays active longer than it should. While no single food can eliminate chronic inflammation, certain foods contain nutrients and natural plant compounds that help support your body's normal inflammatory response. Here are 10 of the most powerful foods to include in your diet, and each one fights inflammation in a completely different way. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic may be a kitchen staple, but it's also packed with one remarkable compound called allicin. Allicin is produced when garlic is chopped or crushed, and it's responsible for both garlic's strong aroma and many of its health-promoting properties. One interesting tip: letting chopped garlic sit for about 10 minutes before cooking allows more allicin to develop before heat begins breaking it down. It's a simple trick that helps you get more from every clove. Number 2. Extra virgin olive oil. Not all olive oils are the same. Extra virgin olive oil contains a natural polyphenol called oleocanthal, which gives high-quality olive oil its distinctive peppery sensation in the back of your throat. Because it's produced with minimal processing, extra virgin olive oil retains far more of these beneficial plant compounds than refined varieties. It's one of the reasons it's considered a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. Number 3. Green tea. Green tea is much more than a source of caffeine. It contains powerful antioxidants called catechins, especially one known as EGCG, along with an amino acid called L-theanine. Together, these naturally occurring compounds make green tea one of the most researched beverages in nutrition. Its unique chemistry is one reason green tea has remained a daily habit in many cultures for centuries. Number 4. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, mackerel and other fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids called EPA and DHA. These healthy fats become part of your cell membranes, where they help support normal communication between cells and your body's natural inflammatory response. Because your body makes very little EPA and DHA on its own, getting them from food is especially important. Number 5. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard are among the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. They're loaded with vitamin K, carotenoids, folate, fiber, and natural plant compounds that work together to support overall health. Leafy greens also provide naturally occurring nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps blood vessels relax and supports healthy circulation. And we're just getting started. The next 5 foods contain some of the most fascinating compounds found anywhere in nature. Number 6. Berries. The bright colors of berries are more than just eye-catching. They're a clue to what's inside. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in natural pigments called anthocyanins. These plant compounds give berries their deep red, blue, and purple colors, while also acting as powerful antioxidants. Berries are also an excellent source of fiber and vitamin C, making them one of the easiest foods to add to a healthy anti-inflammatory eating pattern. Number 7. Turmeric. Turmeric owes its vibrant golden color to a natural compound called curcumin. Curcumin has become one of the most extensively studied plant compounds because of its role in supporting the body's normal inflammatory response. One fascinating fact is that curcumin isn't easily absorbed on its own. That's why many traditional recipes combine turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that can significantly increase curcumin absorption. Sometimes it's not just what you eat, but what you eat it with. Number 8. Nuts. A handful of nuts delivers far more than healthy fats. Walnuts, almonds, pistachios, and pecans provide fiber, vitamin E, magnesium, and a wide variety of polyphenols. Walnuts are especially unique because they're one of the richest plant sources of the omega-3 fatty acid ALA, Together, these nutrients help make nuts one of the most satisfying and nutrient-dense snacks you can choose. Number 9. Fermented foods. Your digestive system is home to trillions of microorganisms known as the gut microbiome. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and miso are produced by beneficial microorganisms that transform ordinary foods through fermentation. Many fermented foods also contain live cultures, and eating a variety of fermented foods is one way to support a diverse gut microbiome. Scientists continue discovering just how closely gut health is connected to overall health, making this one of the most exciting areas of nutrition research today. Number 10. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils may not be trendy, but they're among the most impressive foods on this list. They're naturally rich in plant protein, minerals, polyphenols, and most importantly, fiber. Some of that fiber reaches your large intestine, where it becomes food for beneficial gut bacteria. As those bacteria ferment the fiber, they produce compounds called short-chain fatty acids, which help nourish the cells lining your colon and support a healthy gut environment. It's one of the reasons beans and lentils consistently appear in some of the healthiest dietary patterns around the world. One thing all of these foods have in common is that none of them relies on a single miracle ingredient. Garlic contains allicin, olive oil provides oleocanthal, green tea is rich in catechins, fatty fish supplies omega-3s, berries, leafy greens, turmeric, nuts, fermented foods, and legumes each contribute their own unique combination of nutrients and plant compounds. The real power isn't found in one superfood, it's found in variety. The more different whole foods you include in your diet, the more diverse the nutrients and beneficial compounds you're giving your body. Sometimes the healthiest plate isn't the one with the most expensive ingredients. It's the one filled with a colorful variety of simple, everyday foods. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, subscribe to the Daily Health Edit for more nutrition and wellness videos every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.